Warning, the previous clip was before I edited this video. That video shows why I was extremely goofy. In other words, intoxicated. Viewers' discretion is advised. Hey you guys, this is XOXO Mochaccino. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a Halloween look. Finally, I want to do at least 4 by the time Halloween comes around, because like I said, I'll be so busy working and stuff. It's hard to make videos, but I promise you I'm going to be more consistent. So here we go. So I'm basically going to do, like, how can I explain it? It's going to look like my eye, like somebody just gashed my eyes out. But I'm going to try to make it look like a little prom queen type of thing. I don't know. I'm basically freestyling. But the products that I'm going to use for this look, first of all, you're going to need paintbrushes. I just got these from Walmart. I think they was like $4. This pack's like $4 something. But you can get a lot of more Halloween stuff and better stuff on Amazon. Because even the Halloween stores, like paints and makeup, is like good trash. I got some Halloween paint. This is not the paint that I want per se, but this is just something I picked up real quick. It will do the job for this look. And I got this from a Halloween store. It was $5. Also, you're going to need this product right here. Well, you're going to need this product right here. It's scab blood, basically. It's called scab blood or blood gel. You're going to need some Elmer's glue stick, some Vaseline, and you're going to need liquid latex, regular stage blood. It's just regular running blood. Like the difference between this blood and the gel blood, like the gel blood it gives it the illusion that it's a deeper wound, and this is like liquidy blood that just runs down. Like you'll see what I mean when I start doing the makeup with the blood scab and the difference. Also, I feel like I'm missing something. You're going to need your foundation color, concealer, and you're going to need either tissue or cotton balls. Either one is fine. So, let's get started. Okay, so I'm just brushing up my eyebrows with a spoolie, brushing the hairs all up. So you're going to get your Vaseline, and you're going to put Vaseline all over your eyebrows. The Vaseline is basically going to protect your eyebrows so you won't pull any hairs off. So then we're going to take a Elmer's glue stick, and you're going to put that on your eyebrows as well. So once the glue is dried up a bit, we're going to take some concealer. You're going to use a concealer that you use to highlight, and you're going to use a color corrector. Usually the orange color corrector is for like dark spots. Basically, we're going to get these eyebrows out of the way and make that whole section as a base, so it's easy to apply the liquid latex and the tissue. And you're going to at least do 3 layers of each concealer and pat it on in, pat it on in. Then you're going to use that concealer that you used to highlight with. Then I'm going to put some foundation powder to set my eyebrows. Also, get a white eyeliner so you can trace around your eye, so you can, get a foundation on how big you want the circle, how small you want the circle. This helps so you won't make any mistakes. Okay, now the fun's going to begin. We're going to take that paint and we're going to use black. Now, like I said, this is not my favorite paint per se, because like the good ones is more pigment to me. But this gonna do the job for now. We just gonna make it work. I look like I'm about to rob somebody. It doesn't have to be perfect, because you don't want a perfect look, because if it looks too perfect, sometimes it'll look fake if it's too perfect. Come on, like somebody just gash your eyes out, so it's not gonna be a perfect best shape. It's gonna be a little uneven, and that's cool. It's gonna make it look more realistic. Okay, so now once I'm done painting the black circles around my eyes, I'm just gonna take any type of black eyeshadow. I'm using this. I'm using the black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna set it so it can last and look more, polished or whatnot. I'm just gonna set it with the. Yeah, it's a difference when you set this. It looks way better. This is when the fun part is going to come in. This is when you're going to need your liquid latex and some tissue. You can also use, I prefer cotton balls, but I don't have any cotton balls, but you can use tissue as well. So liquid latex is messy. So I will get a small brush. This type of brush is good for what I'm about to do. But you're gonna start off little by little. So I want to dry. Take some pieces of tissue and rip them into little pieces. Like a lot of little pieces. So we're going to take this liquid latex. I'm gonna take my brush. Oh, my throat was dry.
I'm a low out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, their thing.
So I'm gonna start off little by little, and you're just gonna put this tissue all around, and you're gonna do it like in like coats. I guess you're gonna keep layering it slowly because this stuff kind of dries quick. Once you do it, it's not gonna take that long to dry. It's probably already dry. You're gonna do the same exact thing on top of this. I'll probably do this about 2 to 4. I don't know, depending. Maybe I'll probably do this like 3 times. I did 3 layers, and once I'm done doing the layers, I'm gonna put like more liquid latex on it so it can like seal everything in and dry. Make sure you get it all over the tissue. So once this is done drying, I'm going to take my foundation shade, which is 365 Nutmeg in the Maybelline Fit Me. So basically, you're just gonna put foundation all over so it can blend in with your skin. So it's gonna give it the illusion that this is your actual skin. I'm gonna do it kind of whoosh. Ooh. It's a little too much, but when I'm done with the foundation, I'm going to go back in with that black paint, just to do it again, because some wiped off when I was putting on the tissue. This tissue's making it look lighter, but it's fine because we're going to put more paint and blood and all that stuff, so you won't even tell. Why do I keep doing that? So you won't tell the difference. And if you get foundation over here, it's fine, because I think I am going to put foundation on like around my face too. I wasn't at first, but I am giving it some type of prom queen, beauty girl look. Like beauty girl massacre. I'm gonna do like 2 layers of the foundation because there's still some white spots. I'm gonna try to cover them the best way I can. This is why I prefer cotton balls. So once I, fix my eyes, set it back, now I'm going to go back to this color wheel again, but I'm going to use purple and I'm going to use red. So first use purple. It's going to give it that illusion that like you're really bruised up and you just pat. Okay, do the purple. I'm going to go to the red. And I'm just going to put a smidge of black. I'm not going to overdo it with the black. Just once I'm finished, putting the paint, the only part I hate is like this liquid latex part, but it's fine because I'm about to put some gel blood and that's gonna cover it right up. This is the holy grail. If I don't have this, it's no point in me doing a Halloween face because this is what makes it look really realistic, in my opinion. So you're going to take some of the scar blood, and you're going to see the difference between this blood and the stage liquid blood. It looks like It literally looks like jelly. Like, and this stuff is how much? I think I paid $10 for this little bottle, and this stuff is very expensive. I got it from a Halloween store, but they sell this on Amazon as well, and they got big jugs, but it should be like 20. Like it's expensive. So we're just gonna put it, you know, stuff. Also put it like outside of the latex too. This is why I love this stuff. This is, whew, this that shit right here. Now this is the stage blood, and the difference between this, you're gonna see. You see how the blood gel, it just looks like, ugh. It was like a deep boom, but this is gonna make it drip. I wish I had that black sponge, but I don't, and that's what I need. But it's fine. Just gonna do. So I'm gonna use this type of brush real quick. Ooh. Let's see. And I'm gonna take this big brush and I'm gonna dip it in the blood. This is why you need like cups to pour it in instead of. Okay, don't be ghetto like me, because you should pour it in a cup, a separate cup. It'll be easier, but I'm just in a rush and I'm tired and I'm trying to get all these videos out. I was trying to do 3 videos, but I still ended up with 2, because the last video I was going to do my daughter's hair, but she sleep. Which I don't blame her. So, anyway. Put it like under the eye. Go. It's like, basically you want to make it, oh God, we got a mouth. You want to make it drip. Oh. I think I don't really give a fuck about the shirt.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left, cause I've been blasting and laughing.
I'm just gonna let it drip.
Even my mama thinks that my mind is gone, but I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking, the way you're walking. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share, comment, and goodbye. Mwah.